So the lesson here is about ratio or proportion. So let's start out with an example. So the question is, each car has 4 wheels. And if there are 5 cars, how many wheels are there? The answer, we write down what we know. One car has 4 wheels. So 5 cars means 5 times 4 wheels equal to 20 wheels. Example 2, question: if Tom can eat 4 hamburgers in 2 hours, how many does he eat in 6 hours? Answer, okay, we write down how many what we know. So 2 hours equal 4 hamburgers. So 6 hours means so 6 is 3 times 2 hours equal 3 times 4 hamburger equal to 12 hamburger. Okay, so we'll do this example again. So we say in 2 hours he eats 4 hamburgers. In 6 hours, how many hamburgers? So answer, we say 4 hours, 4 hamburgers over 2 hours. 4 hamburgers every 2 hours. So, and it's 6 hours, right? So you put the 6 hours on the top. And you write your ratio. That's 4 hours, 4 hamburgers. I should make it clear. 4 hamburgers. So 4 hamburger every 2 hours. And that equals, so we write 6 divided by 2 times 4 hamburger. Okay, you notice that the hours disappear, right? Hour, now you're left with the right unit. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 4 equal to 12 hamburger. Same as before, right? Okay, so we're gonna have another way to do it. See, math is so many ways to do it. So we'll do it this time using the way that Daddy has shown you before, okay? So if we say 2 hours, we can eat 4 hamburger equal to 6 hours over an hamburger. Alright, so this is the same as before. Okay, so 2 hours times 3 is equal to 6 hours. Right? And you do the same thing. 4 hamburger times 3 is equal to 12 hamburger. Okay, so we know, and that's the answer, equals 12. Okay, and you'll also notice when I multiply the top by 3, okay, you notice the top I multiply by 3, the bottom I multiply by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I haven't changed anything. That's why it's called ratio. Okay? Okay, so now we're gonna do a summary, okay, of the 3 ways that we have done it, okay? So problem, so I have to always write down the question, right? Is 2 hours equal to 4 hamburger, right? And then 6 hours equal to how many hamburger, okay? And we said the answer can be, right, 2 hours times 3 equal to 6 hours, okay? And so 4 hamburger times 3 equal to 12 hamburger, okay? And we can also say that if we have 4 hamburger every 2 hour and we times 6 hour, right? And we say 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 4 hamburger equal to 12 hamburger, okay? So that is number 1. That's number 2. And the last one is the same thing. We can say 4 hamburger over 2 hour is equal to n hamburger over 6 hours. Then we know from 2 to 6 is times 3 times 3, and n equal to 4 times 3 equal 12. Okay, they're all the same ways of doing the problem, but you should be able to figure out one of them. Okay, so pick one that you like and be done with it. Okay, so we're going to do some practice problem. Okay, so here's the question. Question number 1. All right, 5 houses, okay, and each has 2 doors, okay, and there are 20 houses. How many doors? Okay, easy, right? Question number 2. Okay, there are 10 zoos. Each has 3 animals. It's a small zoo. There are 100 zoos. How many animals? Okay, I think you should be able to do most of these in your head. Okay, if not, you can write it down and review the notes that Daddy has written down. Okay?